What's up, people? Getting back into the Balisong manual by Jeff Imada. I'm just going to read a little portion here, but I mostly want to show you some pictures. So let's get into it. It reads, the early butterfly knife was made from available materials and were rather crude when compared to the Japanese blades. But unlike Japanese blades, these balisongs weren't meant to pierce through feudal armor. In the heat of the tropics, the target of the balisong was actually a nearly naked human body. For that purpose, they were more than adequate. The first butterfly knives were introduced to the States by early Filipino immigrants, farm laborers, and by returning GIs who brought them back from the war as souvenirs. The soldiers referred to them as click-click knives, which the knives became of their fancy but noisy action. For the same reason, the Filipino-American kids of the era called them Balisong. Bali means to break, and song for the song of the blade. In the Filipino communities like Stockton, California, the balisong was as common as baseball to American kids. Every 5-year-old knew how to open one, even though they might not know how to use it. So yeah, that's pretty neat. But I think I left off here. Check it out. So, different types of blades. I'm sure this came from Pacific Cutlery, which is Benchmade. Right? And look at these fellows. Which one do you like? So badass. You saw the black one on the back side. I love that one. Alright. But there's way more than that. So it goes through care and treatment, it goes through butterfly sharpening, and then look at these sheaths. Different carry options, of course. And who doesn't want different carry options, right? Wow, it was so meditative until they broke it up. It gets into deployment. Right? And how to release the balisong once deployed. So yeah, pretty neat.